I want to share with you guys an amazing tactic to actually get in touch with your marketing leads in your dental sleep medicine campaign on the phone. Get them on the phone and chatting, get them scheduled for their consult. I actually learned this directly from a Facebook marketing pro. As an agency, as a marketing agency, we get phone calls from Facebook all the time, them trying to upsell us on stuff, get everyone to spend more money on their platform essentially. Well, what Facebook did, they have a phone number that comes up on our caller ID that we recognize, and we ignore that. The first time this happened, we ignored that number, we didn't recognize it. They called back a second time, like 30 seconds later. It's like, oh, that's odd. This must be a real person. This isn't a marketing call. So we actually answered the phone, and you can do the same thing with your dental sleep medicine marketing leads. Oftentimes, they don't recognize your phone number when you're calling, so they're not going to answer. So you leave them a voicemail, and then you call back 30 seconds later. Because in our minds, we automatically block out marketing calls and we say, nah, that's a scam, I'm not gonna answer that phone number. But when someone calls back a second time, in our mind, it registers, this is a real person that actually might need to be getting in touch with me. So give that a shot, you're gonna get a hold of a lot more people.